Acura NSX expects to fill a specialty that scarcely exists, yet for the individuals who look for a day-by-day driver supercar, with some half-and-half cred, no less, this is your ride. The first NSX, which was eliminated of creation in 2005, gave simple, everyday bearableness short the green, outlandish looks, extraordinary execution, an agreeable ride, and agreeable space for two grown-ups and a sensible measure of payload. Beside the first's liberal load space, the renewed NSX checks all the same boxes and kicks things up a score with better-than-expected mileage because of its mixture powertrain and electric just driving capacities. It positively looks like a supercar, however it doesn't exactly hide the fascinating imprint within, where confirmation of parts offering to lesser Acuras throws an unequivocally down-market shadow. To say that the second-generation NSX shares nothing with the first generation, the production of which ended in 2005, would be an understatement. From its carbon fiber and aluminum-intensive construction to its all-wheel drive hybrid electric powertrain, the NSX was completely reimagined for 2017. Despite being modernized, the NSX does draw inspiration from the original. Its easygoing nature and excellent outward visibility are still its best features, making it more usable than most supercars when driven daily.